Hello and welcome everybody to the Tableau tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how we can easily connect a dataset with Tableau in very quick and simple step. We have got a global superstore sample dataset in the Excel format. We see that there are three different sheets available. Looking at the bottom, and the sheets are order sheet, return sheet and the people. Now, the same dataset we are going to import in Tableau. Whenever we open Tableau for the first time after installation, this is how the Tableau is going to look like. On the left, we have the data connectors, and since we have already discussed, more than 80 data sources can be connected with Tableau in order to use the data sets. Now, we can go to the Microsoft Excel option, and then we can select the global superstore sale data, and we can click on open. Now the next layout which comes up on the screen is like this. We have the three different sheets which was available in the global superstore data set, and these are the three different sheets which is mentioned in the same way in the Excel sheet as well. Now any one of the sheet we can use in order to create the design. We can just drag the order sheet, and this is how the Tableau is going to represent every data in this particular data set. Now these are the small little data type icons. This represent the data type in the data set, and this is how the data set is looking like. It's more or less the same kind of data set which is present in the Excel sheet as well. So this is exactly how you can connect your data set with Tableau, very quick and simple steps. That's all for today's video. We will catch up with you in the next video. Till then, take care.